What's up, everybody? We got the Sony A7V along with the Sigma 24 to 70 millimeter art lens to unbox today. I've been waiting to upgrade for some time now. I was debating between upgrading to the A7 IV and A7V. Ultimately figured go big or go home. Wanted some more of the advanced video features in the A7V, along with some of the upgraded autofocus and AI related features. So that was a big factor for me. You can see right here in the box, we got our strap. Nice, kind of like a leather strap. It does say A7V on it too, pretty cool. We have our battery. This is the NP-FZ100 model battery, so you do get one of those. And finally, last but not least, moment you've all been waiting for. Boom, look at that. So we got the fully articulated screen. So you can twist it out like so. You can also fold it out. Wow, that is so cool. Awesome. Of course, since I upgraded my camera and we're now shooting on full frame, I had to upgrade the lens as well. So going right into the lens, what do we got here? We got a separate box. Let's open this up first. Another strap. I think this is actually for the bag that the lens goes in, not a camera strap, because, wow, look at this. It's a cool bag. Awesome. Wow, this thing is heavy. I did not expect that. Wow. Here it is. Let's get it out of the plastic wrap. Show you guys this lens. I wanted to go with something that was going to be the most versatile option. So you can see here, this is a 24 to 70. It does have the manual aperture ring as well. You do have the focus switch. Looks like 2 extra buttons here as well. Then obviously you got your lens cap here. Beautiful lens. And of course we have our lens hood. Right there. It's nice that they have like this carrying case for the lens specifically. Very quickly, throw this lens on here. Really excited to play around with this thing. Got the click. Cool. We are in business. And there you go. See, we got our setup screen. This is going to be the new rig moving forward for the time being. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the Sony A7V along with the Sigma 24 to 70 lens. Stay tuned on this channel for a future review of both the A7V and the Sigma 24 to 70 lens.